Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Honda CTX700 inline twin-cylinder cruiser. This is the version with the frame-mounted fairing. It's kind of a touring version. And the person who had this bike upgraded to a tall windscreen, the Honda locking removable side cases. It also has a beautiful Corbin seat with an adjustable rider backrest. And it has the passenger, or rather the luggage rack. Only 785 miles. This bike is awesome condition. Come by, check it out, save over $2,000 off the price of a new one. 2014, 6 months left on factory warranty, only $84.99. We have financing available, extended service contracts. 2014 Honda CTX700, fully loaded, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.